Chef Jeff, the Rogue Chef here. I'm getting ready to boil some crawfish. So I've got my water going here. I'm gonna prep it by I'm gonna season the water. I've got this Boardwalk seafood boil and some Zatarain's Pro, heavily seasoned. It may seem like a lot, but when you want to season your crawfish, you want to get a lot of it in there. And then we're gonna add a little bit of lemon juice to it and let this rest for a little bit and come back to a boil so we can put our crawfish in. And you may wonder, I'm not catching seeds because these are seedless lemons. And I'll hold these and put them in with the crawfish. I got some live crawfish here in my pot. You want to make sure that you use live crawfish. So we've got the water boiling. It's a rolling boil. And so we're going to take our pot and put our crawfish in them and let them cook for about 5 or more minutes. So once it comes back to a boil. We've been cooking our crawfish for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna turn the heat off. It's gonna rest, and we're gonna pour a bunch of ice to try to cool it down. And now we're gonna let it sit for at least 10 minutes. And that ice is gonna cool down the broth, but then that's also gonna allow time for the seasoning to get into the crawfish and into the meat. And then now they can set and soak up all the flavors. All right, our crawfish have been sitting for a little over 10 minutes. You can see some of the seasoning all over it. So I'll drain it. I'm just gonna pour them into our bowl here. All the pieces apart. See here, we have them. They're all cooked. If you had never eaten one, twist the tail, pull it out, and you want to take this first ring off. And you have the meat. Squeeze the tail. There you go. Fresh crawfish. I'm sorry, but it's, oh my God, that's so good. Now, true Cajuns will suck the head. I'm not a true Cajun, but y'all should try this if you love crawfish. Just go out, go to your seafood. You can order them online. You can get them up in Springfield at Express Seafood. You don't need a lot. You don't have to get a whole sack. Just get a few pounds and cook it up yourself. Now remember, there's not really a lot of meat in it, but it's fun to do and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Let's go Rogue.